Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to talk to Nuggs customer service and how to send BTC from Nuggs. I know that these are two topics that a lot of people are interested in, so I'm excited to share some tips and tricks with you. Before I get started, I want to say that I'm not a financial advisor. The information that I'm sharing is for educational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. How to talk to Nuggs customer service. If you need to talk to Nuggs customer service, there are a few different ways to do so. The first option is to chat with a customer service representative on the Nuggs website. You can access the chat feature by clicking on the Help button in the top right corner of the screen. The second option is to call Nuggs customer service at 1-888-696-3986. The third option is to email Nuggs customer service at email address removed. When you contact Nuggs customer service, be sure to have your account number and password handy. You may also be asked to provide your name, address, and date of birth. How to send BTC from Nuggs. Sending BTC from Nuggs is easy. Here are the steps. Log into your Nuggs account. Click on the Send button. Enter the address of the wallet or exchange that you want to send BTC to. Enter the amount of BTC that you want to send. Click on the Send button. Once you have sent BTC from Nuggs, it will typically take a few minutes for the transaction to be confirmed on the blockchain. Here are a few additional tips for talking to Nuggs customer service and sending BTC from Nuggs. Be patient. Customer service representatives are often busy, so it may take a few minutes to get connected. Be polite and respectful. Customer service representatives are people too, and they will be more likely to help you if you are polite and respectful. Be clear and concise. When you explain your problem, be as clear and concise as possible. This will help the customer service representative to understand your issue and resolve it quickly. Be prepared to provide documentation. If you are having a problem with your account, be prepared to provide documentation to support your claim. This may include screenshots, emails, or other documents. Conclusion. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. I also encourage you to share this video with your friends and family. Thanks again for watching.